Today, we are going to connect with Archangel Raphael. Archangel Raphael is the angel of healing, of peace, of friendship, of money, and of stability. So let's begin. I encourage you to find a spot where you can be left undisturbed for the next 8 to 10 minutes. And once you do find that spot, I encourage you to sit down, lie down, or rest your back, whatever feels natural and comfortable to you. And I encourage you to close your eyes. And now, when you do close your eyes, tell yourself that today I am going to forget about my problems at office, at home, in my relationships, with my spouse, my pet, everybody. And I'm going to spend the next 8 minutes just focusing on myself, my connection with myself, and Archangel Raphael, who will provide me with the healing I need right about now. And when you do tell yourself this, tell yourself assuringly, but also assertively, so that the parts of you that do not believe that you deserve healing, you deserve some me time, right about now, can step back. And now, let's focus on your breath. Please take 3 deep breaths for me. And when you do take these deep breaths, I request you to put one of your hand on your stomach and watch the movement of your stomach. Watch it going in and out. And then take a breath again, watch it going in and out. And then take a breath again, watch it going in and out. And then a last breath for me, please. Take it deep inside and watch your hand going in and out. With the knowing that you are safe in your body, and that your body is there for you, holding you, we now ask our guardian angels to pour golden light from the heavens, from the sky, from the source, or from the Godhead, wherever you might believe they exist, wherever you might feel they exist. Allow a golden beam of light to pour upon you, crossing your energy center, all your energy layers, your head, your eyes, your nose, your mouth, your face, your shoulders, your back, your hips, your stomach, your chest, your knees, your thighs, your calf, your toes, your soles, and allow this golden light to pass through your arms as well, and any other physical energy, psychic space in your body that needs protection, that needs defense, that needs a sense of safety. And allow that golden light to also pass through your soles and go down in the ground 6 feet vertically and horizontally, pulling you further downwards, grounding you if it's necessary, or just helping you sense the stability that the ground provides to your feet, to your entire body, to your mind, to your energy body, and to your organs right about now. And now we ask our guardian angels to connect us to Archangel Raphael, the angel of healing, finances, stability, peace, also communication. And we ask Archangel Raphael to connect to us through our thoughts, through our energy, through our emotions, through our feelings, and if we are psychic and experienced, through our psychic gifts or energy gifts, or simply through the knowing that as soon as we call upon an angel, it must appear, as the rule of angels go. And now take a minute to explain to Archangel Raphael the type of healing you need today. Is it a physical healing that you need? Is it a part of your body that is paining, is stressed out, and needs rest or healing? Or is it more of an energetic problem that you're having? If you're an empath, a sensitive soul, and you've absorbed a lot of energy or emotions of others, do you need energy healing for whatever you absorbed? Or do you need emotional healing for your inner child? For any emotion that's bothering you today, maybe it's fear, maybe it's anxiety, maybe it's sadness, maybe it's anger. Or is it material healing that you need? Do you need healing for your finances, for your relationships, for your relationship with yourself, for confidence? Anything, ask him right now. State, Dear Archangel Raphael, I would like healing for my XYZ. And here XYZ could be your problem, the type of healing you require today. And when you ask, imagine a green beam of light of Archangel Raphael falling upon you through your head, entering all your physical cells, your mental body, your emotional body, your inner child, your energy body, your psychic channels, and fully enveloping it. And this light is not just green in color, but it also has sparkles of golden color in it, and is loving, gentle, warm, soothing, and freeing. Allow this light to envelop the physical area that you need healing in, or the emotion. Just think about the emotion that you're trying to heal and allow that light to pass through that emotion, or allow that light to pass through a relationship that's bothering you. Surround the light between the people in that relationship and you, or allow the light to pass through areas of your life. Just imagine for it to seep in to all areas that require healing, and watch how it makes you feel. What does it change for you? Does it change the way your body feels, your mind feels? Are you feeling a little more calmer? Notice. And now, gently tell yourself, I am not alone in this situation. Archangel Raphael is here with me, guiding me, healing me, supporting me, helping me, and being my friend. Tell yourself that you're strong, capable, and smart enough to overcome whatever challenge that you are going through today. And that Archangel Raphael will only aid in your healing journey and make it faster, more efficient through your own capacity of healing. Tell yourself that you believe in yourself, and Archangel Raphael definitely believes in your healing gifts, your natural healing gifts. To heal yourself, your body, your mind, your energy, your psychic gifts, any area of your life, any situation. Give yourself the assurance that you need right now. And when you do, check, how do you feel now? How is it different from the time you began this meditation? And if you felt a shift somewhere in your mind, your emotions, your energy, or the situation itself, you got an insight, an idea, a perspective, a reflection, an action step, a new direction, tell yourself that, hey, I made a decision to put on this meditation, work on myself, and it worked out. I see a difference, which means I am healing already. And then thank Archangel Raphael for coming in this meditation, helping you with your challenges, knowing that he is just a thought away, knowing that the next time you need healing for anything, you can just call on him and he'll appear. Maybe not in the way you're expecting, but definitely in the way you need. And keep asking him as to what would be the way you'd like him to appear in your life, and see what happens. Now, I request you to come back to your body. Gently open your eyes, wiggle your toes and hands, and get ready to get back to your day, knowing that you are held, supported, grounded, and deeply loved by the people in your life and by Archangel Raphael and your guardian angels as well. If you found this video to be helpful, please do like, share, and subscribe to my channel. I make a lot of content about angels, Reiki, slow living, highly sensitive people, and abstract art as a tool to cope with sensitivity. Thank you for watching this video until the end. I hope that you receive healing fully and that you stay happy. I hope you have a great day ahead, and please do share in the comment section below as to what were your insights, what were your takeaway, and if you connected with Archangel Raphael, how did you feel? Especially if it was your first time, I'd love to know, and I'll definitely reply to you. Thank you, and I hope you have a great day ahead.